Good soil.
Look at that, look at that.
Oh my God, almost get in there now. It'd be nice if you find some truffles. Have a truffle dog.
Gerard.
Oh my good Lord. That's good dirt. I can smell it over here.
Oh, me too. Well, we do have good soil. We really do.
Oh my good Lord. Goes after those little roots.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Oh, lovely.
Okay, guys. Oops. Okay, guys. Good morning. I'm just stepping outside here. Oh, well, hello. A little bit later, we're going to be making, we're going to go get into the kitchen and make some Mojo Sauce. Told you I'd show you how to make that. But first, I just want to show you guys what's going on in the garden. Not really a garden tour. Here are some potatoes. Potatoes are looking really good. Now let's see over here. And if we have some serious weeding to do in this potato bed. But as you can see, these potatoes are a different kind. They're actually starting to grow. And again, more weeding. More weeding. But this is, oh, it looks like I have some parsley or some cilantro or something coming up there. You probably can't see it from here, but I can see it's growing in a straight line. All right, we'll just take a little walk past the pool. Oh, look at the blue Hubbard. Look at the blue Hubbard. Oh, yes, sirree. That's going to be a lot of squash. We're having issues with our pool, our saltwater generator. Look what's going on. Can you see that? It keeps saying low salt. Well, let me tell you, this pool is saltier than the ocean. So, it's not low salt. We've replaced, oh, and it looks like, oh. Yep, pool needs some work. Pool needs some work. But things are looking pretty good. Mitch was out here weeding. Oh, look at the dill. This is our watermelon. Mitch was out here weeding yesterday while I was gone. I went out and had a pedicure yesterday. Well, he weeded all right. He weeded all right. He weeded out half of our peppers. You get out of those beds, Mr. Gerard. And the Trogon lilies are about to explode. I'm so happy. Carrots are doing great. What is that fool doing? What is that fool doing up there?
I'm flying the hillbilly drone to get a better perspective of the garden.
A hillbilly drone?
Yeah. Gives a behind the scenes look too.
Don't fall.
I mean land, don't crash land.
Yeah. Oh my good Lord, the things I have to deal with. And check out the Egyptian walking onions. Let's flip around here. Not flip around, walk around. Look at this. They're starting to form. They're starting to form their heads. Isn't that cool? Look at that. And we've also started developing scapes. The scapes, let me see if I can find one for you. There we go. See that? The scapes are starting. We're going to be doing some scape butter, compound butter, using the garlic scapes. Say that 10 times fast. Garlic scapes. David Austin roses are looking fabulous. In fact, I may have even I can't tell if that's an actual, if that's a bud or what that is. The light's not very good right here. So anyway, here's the garden. Looking good. Looking good. But you know what, you guys? I made a mistake. I made a mistake. You know how I said plant onions with all of your tomatoes, but not with peas? Because peas are a legume, right? Guess what green beans are? A legume. I crammed green beans in this row. I mean, there are green beans like every 1.5 to 2 inches. Looking pretty sparse. Well, look at the proximity to the onions. That was a no-no. So, there you go. Live and learn from my mistake. Isn't that right, Mr. Man? And let's see. Now, see? The green beans were like this. You see this? This row right here. Let me see. Right there, that one. That's what that other row should have looked like. But, live and learn. I didn't realize green beans were a legume. Different than other beans. And these are all of our squash. Doing great. Doing great. The beets are doing great. We didn't have very good luck with bok choy. The bok choy is... Where is it? Right there at the end. Right there. We didn't have very good luck with that. Not a good year for brassicas around here right now. Not a good year for brassicas. And with Mitch's workshop arriving this week, one of his projects is relocating our humanure station. And check it out. Check this pad out. Look at this. This guy did an amazing, amazing job. It looks like concrete, but it isn't. It's the same foundation as what is the house is on. And this guy did a much better job. I wish we'd had him for the house. And so there you go. He even, look what he did. He even did a, this is where the front door, Mitch wants the door facing his road. And there's going to be a ramp. He even did a little ramp pad. Gerard. Come here. Come here. Gerard. Wait. Good boy. Good boy. There we go. Well, here comes Mr. Hillbilly. But here's going to be the view. And which is going to be nice because look what our neighbors are doing. Right on the boundary line, they're parking all their cars in the trash. But the trees are filling in nicely. They're filling in nicely, so we'll all have our privacy and we won't have to look at their stuff. And I guess I understand to them it's, you know, out of their sight and they're...
Want me to take him?
Yeah, you can take him. I just didn't want him wandering off, especially with a chipmunk right behind you. There's the boy! There he is! But there you go. Here's the whole tiny house homestead view. And this part of the property, I dare say, with the addition of the workshop, the infrastructure of the property is just about complete. Couple little things, a woodshed, but the main things, the garden, the house, the garage, the workshop, we have filled in the lower, what would this be, an acre? Not even an acre, half acre, 3/4 of an acre maybe.
No, not yet.
Of our 6.5 acres.
Yes. There you go, Mr. Man.
I am. He's so cute. He's so cute. And he's so dirty.
Get rid of that fence. And using the hillbilly drone to get a better view of the gardens. And the view of potato garden.
Have an issue with our pool or saltwater generator. What's going on? You see that? Keep saying no salt. Let me tell you, this pool is saltier than the other.
All right. All right, so the hillbilly drone is giving us pretty good perspective. I can see there's Mrs. Tiny, the potatoes. Behind the potatoes is the chicken run. And you see the path heading up to the woods and to the run. Got all kinds of melons and stuff planted there. There's the compost bins, which are going to be moved over by the fruit trees. You can see in the far back, the white tape. The pad for the workshop. Mid-garden. And there's Mr. Man. There's the polytunnels. And that's an herb garden. And since we haven't filled a lot of those herbs up, we're just putting some field crop in there.
Get out of this.
All right. This is kind of the drone's also good for behind the scenes action. What? I'm flying the hillbilly drone to get a better perspective of the gardens.
A hillbilly drone?
Yeah. And it gives a behind the scenes look too.
Don't fall.
You mean land, don't crash land?
Yeah.
All right. All right. Enough panoramic views. I'm sure, or hopefully she'll use this.
All right, here we go. Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my tiny retirement. No, I don't need any of that because this is going on the end of another video. Forget it. Welcome back. So we're not outside anymore. Listen how confused I am now. We're inside now, and as promised, we are going to make the easiest mojo sauce / marinade you'd ever want to find. It's a Cuban thing, and it is supposed to be made with some very sour oranges. This is not a sweet sauce. It is not a spicy sauce. It is citrusy and garlicky, very garlicky. So what you're going to need, you can make your own sour orange juice by orange, just plain old orange juice. I'm going to use the juice of 3 lemons, and I probably, because it's me, I will probably also zest these lemons. These are the lemons I got from Azure Standard, and you guys, these are not hard. I can tell these are going to be juicy lemons. And even the peel, even the skin, feels really different than what you're going to find in your grocery store. I'm amazed. I couldn't believe it. I picked it up and I went, wow, that feels good. So, lemons. The juice of 3 lemons in my orange juice. I'm going to use darn near this whole head of garlic. Use a minimum of 10 cloves of garlic, more if you're brave. I'm going to put some cumin in, pepper, salt to taste, a little bit of olive oil, and I had these volunteer cilantros come up from last year that I planted. Did I just lose one? Yes, I did. And I'm going to put that in it. And I also found in my garden, my oregano is starting to, ever so slightly, starting to come back. And I do not have any dried oregano, so. But if you have it, put it in. To taste, whatever you'd like. Okay, so let's get started on this thing. The first thing I'm doing is I'm going to put, oh, I don't know. So what is that? Probably 2 cups. 2 cups of my orange juice. And yes, I'm going to do some zest. And I'm going to steal this plate.
Oily lemon. I mean, it's not like a.
I love Azure Standard. I do.
Yeah.
And this is not actually an Azure Standard video today. But you know what?
They never disappoint.
No. Oh, and since I have mentioned them, never to miss an opportunity. I am an affiliate with Amazon. I'm a member of them. And if you are interested in trying them, you have to sign up. You have to sign up and become a customer. Doesn't cost you anything. Doesn't cost anything. You just have to create an account. Do me a favor. If you're interested, click down to the description and use my referral code. I give you the instructions down there to where to go, the page on Azure Standard, and they will ask you for the referral code, who referred you. Please use my code. And the good thing is, you can do it too. You can do it the same thing once you sign up. A giveaway. Oh, is that 3? We're going to be doing a giveaway. I've had a lot of comments on my can opener. I have a swing away can opener and it makes slick work of opening any size can. And it's done. Get us to 500. We're going to be giving one of those away to our subscribers. Here's an issue. Nearly 65-66% of my viewers are not subscribed. If that's you, and you know who you are, if you enjoy our videos, please do me a favor. Please do go hit that subscribe button. I am doing this, I'm going to roll my lemon because it sort of helps release the juices from those the little juice pods inside. She is just having a conniption fit out there. I'm not sure what the general's program is today. You know, it looks like we're going to have a storm up there.
Yeah, I didn't think it was supposed to today.
I didn't either, but there are clouds out there. Storm clouds.
Look here. We're just, yeah. Oh, yeah. Went from no to, we're predicting at 3 o'clock this afternoon a 32% chance of some rain.
So it might rain, it might not.
Well, yeah.
All right, so I don't know. I got that much lemon juice.
That's a lot of juice out of those ones.
Yeah,
when you think
I don't
about
usually get that much. Dump it right in. And now, for me, whew, sour orange juice, exactly what I wanted. So what can you use Mojo sauce for, you ask? You can marinate chicken. You can do this, the way I was introduced to Mojo sauce was my world traveler husband. When we were in Key West, oh, Key West. And he ordered Mojo Cuban pork breakfast down there. And let me tell you, I've never tasted anything like it. You can do, since it tends to tenderize, you could do this on, say, a skirt steak or a flank steak. And then slap it on the grill after it's marinated for, oh, I don't know, overnight, maybe. Seafood. You can do it with seafood. And there we have it. Alright, a little salt. Remember, this is going to be a marinade. Okay, salt and pepper to taste. And since this is Cuban, we need a little cumin. Cumin is very warm. I'm going to put probably a teaspoon. Olive oil. And I'm saying, because it's a marinade, and you need oil in a marinade. So, that was probably a quarter cup. That's a quarter cup. And, last but not least, my volunteer cilantro. Excuse me, I have to feed the dog. Do you want your oregano? Oh, that's cilantro. Do you like cilantro? Yes, you do. Alright, these are just roughly chopped. In they go. My hands are all sticky from the garlic. Put your cover on. Mojo sauce. Easy peasy. You guys give it a try. Give it a try. When you do, make sure you come back and leave a comment. Find this video again, make a comment. Let me know. Let me know. Or on any video. Let me know if you tried it. I know I made mojo sauce. I'll know. Alright, you guys have a great day. We're going to go back to taking bets on whether or not we're going to have storms and rain today or not. We'll see you next time.